Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the assignment operator with the practical approach. First we need to open the IDE Turbo C. So I maximize it and I write here has include studio.h has include conio.h void main and then opening and closing brace, and I declare here the variable x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Okay, simply I am declaring here the four variables x1, x2, x3 and x4, and four variables are the y1, y2, y3 and y4. Y4 means total variable number is 8, and I write here the printf /n, and simply write here that this is the demonstration of simple assignment operator, and then /n I want to change the line, and then again write here the printf /n, enter the value for x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, and then scanf, and I write here %d, %d, %d and %d. Okay, and then comma, ampersand x1, comma, ampersand x2, comma, ampersand x3, comma, ampersand x4. Okay, and then I write here the x1 equal x1 plus 10, x2 equal x2 minus 10, x3 equal x3 multiply by 10, and then x4 equal x4 divide by 10. Okay, and I write here the printf /n x1 equal %d, and then comma x1, and then again write here the printf and /n x2 equal %d, comma x2, and then printf %d. First of all we need to /n x3 equal %d, comma x3, and then printf, and I write here /n x4 equal %d, comma x4. Okay, first I explain it. This printf function simply print the message onto the screen. This is the demonstration of the simple assignment operator, and again I am using here the printf function to print the message onto the screen. Enter the value for x1, x2, x3 and x4, and when the user enters the value, four values, the first value stored into the x1, and second value into the x2, and third value stored into the x3, and fourth value stored into the x4 with the help of scanf function. And in the next line I write here the x1 equal x plus 10, means the value of x, suppose that the user enter the 10, means the value of x1 is 10, then 10 plus 10 20 assigned to the variable x1. And in the next line again I write here the x2 equal x2 minus 10. Suppose that if the user enter the value of 10 x2, then 10 minus 10, 0 assigned to the x2. And in the next line x3 equal x3 multiply by 10, and the value of x3 is 10 multiply by 10, 100 assigned into the x3. And in the next line x4 equal x4 divided by 10. Suppose that user enter the x4 10, and 10 divided by 10, the result 1 is stored into the x4. And this is the simple assignment operator, and we are printing the value of x1, x2, x3 and x4 with the help of printf function. Okay, and then again I am using here the printf function, and right here this is the demonstration of shorthand assignment operator, and then /n. Okay, and then enter printf /n, enter the value for y1, y2, y3 and y4, and then scanf, and then %d, and comma, ampersand y1, comma, y2, ampersand y2, comma, ampersand y3, comma, ampersand y4. Okay, and then I write here the y1 plus equal 10, then y2 minus equal 10, y3 multiply equal 10, and y4 divide equal 10, and then I write here printf /n y1 equal %d, comma, y1, and then printf /n y2 equal %d, comma, y2, then printf /n y3 equal %d, comma, y3, and then printf /n y4 equal %d, comma, y4, and then get ch. Okay, I am explain onto this line, so I explain further the use of shorthand assignment operator with the practical. So I am using here the printf function. This is the demonstration of shorthand assignment operator, that is this message print onto the screen with the help of printf function. And in the next line I am using again the printf function and print the message, enter the value for the y1, y2, y3 and y4 onto the screen. And when the user enter the 4 values, the first value stored into the y1, and the second value stored into y2, third value stored into y3, and fourth value stored into the y4 with the help of scanf function. And here I am write y1 plus equal 10, means I am using here the shorthand assignment. The meaning of y plus equal 10 is y equal y1 equal y1 plus 10. Okay, this is the simple assignment operator, and this is the shorthand assignment operator. We are doing the same things above, but I am here using the shorthand assignment operator. And y1, suppose that y1 store the value of 10, so 10 plus 10 add and assign to the y1, and 10 minus 10 store into the y2, and if the suppose that y3 store the value hold the value of 10, so 10 multiplied by 10 and assign to the y3 100, and next y4 also hold the value of 10, so the 10 divided by 10 store into the y4, and with the help of printf function I am printing the value of y1, y2, y3 and y4. Okay, and I am calling here a function clr scr to clear the screen. Okay, and then save it, and then compile it. Okay, and then run it. I am simply passing here the 10, 10, 10 and 10. Okay, you simply see here the value of x equals to 20, x2 is 0, x3 is 100 and x4 equal 1. And in the next line, this is the demonstration of shorthand assignment operator, and enter the value for y1, y2, y3 and y4. I am also passing the 10, 10, 10 and 10. Press enter. The value of y1 is equals to 20, y2 0, y3 100 and y4 1. Okay, the result is same, but in the first statement I am using here the simple assignment operator, and in next section I am using here the shorthand assignment operator. In the simple assignment operator, you simply need x1 equal x plus 10 or like this, and in the shorthand assignment operator you simply write the y plus equal 10. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you have any query, then you write onto the comment and I will give the answer of your question. Thank you friends.